Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the meal plans on the home workout application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, then click on Meals Plan, which is the third section. Tap on it, and here you can find out meal plans for 28 days. So tap on one of them. Here you can find the diet of the day, including breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner. Here you have explanations for each of the meals, such as 1 cup of tea or black coffee without sugar and milk, a smoothie, avocado and tomato salad. Here you can find lunch idea, carrot and pineapple salad, meats grilled or boiled with onions, garlic, broccoli and bell pepper and so on. So as you can see, you have a different meal plan for each day. So you have 28 different meal plan options that you can check out here at this section and get inspired. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.